time what about GP said the bragging rights no and so baby do ho Jude you starting with the build up and kakaka I mean baby and I would the answer from the build up no
but that's rich and I made the heart of folk line up in the best start
okay
but I didn't you so what
Antina has a lineup now for go to encounter
Debbie may shada mashada me has DNA may kotoko de china then you make per Thursday and Friday no and make tactical board metre baby a kotoko strength wo the weakness ewo metre has and so there sa pepepe now maybe be special be so about the two coaches and people should stay tuned but many aje on say return class as a kasafa game no na me botin club aso na nse bia manfo antima se kasa ndi also kasa adinti na ni so kasa ye pesa na man ye pesa in game ni grow but na me try ma dey na say memfa kotokonko situation bi na coach so ti asie say de e wo no eno anie enti no wo ba beto mu nko ade aba ma ba ye adwuma into the men say asie me excuses bebri but game wo think like kasa no mani age rich me try de bi kotoko coach had to full coach player be a kotoko sign player be has a sign no met me catch as a matter of fact say the first thing this all contract him say amount target our apart from say Jelik na bo ameti nko Africa no there's a specific club I ebo ni din so no usia na so se no mini abati ani mini abemeti me sure so munim omo hu players be contract ye catch say had to folk say kotoko e ka contract no we coach na be guy ye beju atuma just was kotoko and I was a house rich then the man has any avimo didi drama anymore. Didi any CV no, baby o munya avimi so the 10 against 11. Ebe say me amiti me ayaya ma fire ni so no. E no the man fe has ehun say kai, ye nya coach didi woni mu. Sha, maso okura du ohun. Kotoko si ane nsi ne fom no. Anya the ball no obebody man krobia no. But no man so wade bi say has intimi nse no se maso te bench nko ade a kotoko support anim so da na wada enti coach is adwuma ba be sa ase yi e sa ase afri ha enti clanim onim ba se bema se e betima tumu a e sa ase afri democracy camp on sunim na tinkla we di ka ma first shot who say tinkla on na ebo home and we di ka catch ni akapo se bema ba abo ho na ade no de tie bi o se e de machika fom tinkla di ka aka ne de rich ade ani nie coach is two no ade bibi eba onim say season wo hwemu yie pa league no in a way a favor tinkla ne couple I am more pressure so mun je favor onim de nta we gasa Castle mind back one maybe I had to folk line up but Castle mind back the last 6 seasons teams so mo agelic e Ghana hani coaches so mukra for now has a success ni coach oni bibia to show Tinkler a good coach but Obeka Premier League title was South Africa Obeka wants them say ne dia woyi any receive your de by receive ne dia rich but South titles no enim I rich ade ani nie aya na me twe ma agene kwa akire rich odo agene kwa akire Samuel Buadu the past 6 seasons Buadu J leg with heart to folk meboa good Buadu
no JFA Cup
yes Buadu crowd or J treble virtually Buadu answer na oba heart to folk no rich so fana na wa coach as squad deportivo owie na oba me dem meboa and you can the level of experience and say that this room sao and oba fan has but GBB also including the league title Yansaima Dr. Prosper na Ogum Obemfo before Oba Kotoko. Me remfi. No coach Karela, no coach Wafa. On J League title da. Obefa Kotoko. Or the Kotoko J League title. Rich. Yemma coach Evans Adote, Mediama. Evans Adote. No on GBBL. No one system no much, but no need BBI to show for it. But or the Mediama a J League title. Rich, former King Faisal coach Nuru. So when I say so, Karela.
Coach Nuru.
Okay, on the King Faisal call relegation. Oh, we no call Summertex. I call Summertex or the Summertex AJ leg title. Rich, Cyber from Pom Manson.
Mayenga.
Sauber from Pom Mansua. From Pom Manso, mind you, not on J leg title ni bida. Now experienced coaches almost system no and but not on GB. But finally on the baby and go start AJ League no. Rich, the last one Ibrahim Tanko, Miaminia. Tanko na de Accra Lions score relegation on me boy. Owie no ba mediama. Ibrahim Tanko nje elect title da. Enyo na de mediama je. And it tells you says some share part na e follow na. Ah da bia ni abre and a coach no nje elect title da. Now share part na de na corner. In a way, it gives Tinkler and Couple that advantage. So the past 6 seasons, coaches no more Ghana League title, and coaches are on GB. And so, a more advantage. Abrofuba, bro, new about Ghana or J League title. This man, Dutch international, Hans van de Plume. Abrofuno ain't minje, but what besides say a fact has been military against them. Share Obi say one coach and spending drop on. So tonight say and title BGB. Hans the Tasmith abenkwa adwuma oye no. Say the Tasmith tonight and call title. Has coach you crano Mandela a friend of Mandela. This man ni di on Mandela sepa. Has coach 2-3 seasons ago as I be there akokwa assistant. Ni di the crowd say Mandela. Mandela has coach South Africa coach a good coach pa on Nelson Mandela sent in nickname no has coach 3-4 seasons ago no do mo ye adwuma so baba be GB and until they do baby and yema they has cycle fan no and said them favor brofo no we agree but trust you me think like a couple I was sad and when they couple on rich me who be about couple and I'm see reasoning tia has echo in for couple. When him say couple, who probably develop players where one person was hiding. Even so say usu even so say usu. On the developing or my youth. On first Samuel Tete on the developing. Sounds first say Dusana, I acquire Diana. That player on the developing, including Emmanuel Ousu Mediama. That skillful player, I don't know. And see, Kamia Kwese has a be special among 500 Marso. Now, ahead of this game, my memo, the likely lineup. How to focus likely so I'm buying with a 4-3-3 formation. Rich Unmade. The goalkeeping department, it is settled. For Kotoko, they are settled by Hasi Bakope. Benjamin Asari certainly and a Bemani goal post. No reason and they say, Menyesu also has very risky that saw Kwakofa Otopano. And also a bad fast Sharub. So I'm Otopano crowd there. Also, I'm a last gamer. According to Topapa, so Mommy MCC. And on try. Bia a brand away. Vincent Asarino. And we will be at that be an obetting compete as a Benjamin Asari Kaka. Share over center of defense. Ali Mohammed Piquet, Calvin SCB. It's a settle and Honobianco, almost penny solid, almost bomb from last season. I built that chemistry anymore, almost at telepathy no ewo. And Piquet Eduk Masi Hana Nutrition neighbor, so no bantam my boy. And to do Hana Hana Piquet person or trade Piquet, a Virgin France, and they are Piquet at the ball. Rich Unmade, left side and right side of defense on them. A home there problem, eh? A branch and at the Ranford Mensa and Abdul Aziz. Left side. Last season there was Ransford Mensa, but this season when your competition here paying Abdul Aziz. Because Abdul Aziz Obionima Brantiano, or taking it days from out you, or the bus we draw all blacks are. Our trade to be on the one a bebwa to folk. Or you'll be or set forward that and ultimately side track it back easily. So in transition, or bebwa had to folk here pa. And to also advantage, you know, and the bus are long range shot now they are got a basel. But a branch away the NSA only a dead ball specialist. Ransford Mensa a dead ball specialist. Race unim. Over right side of the fence, Emmanuel Mankwetiati. There is Prince Amevo. Amevo Nelson, the sergeant runs all year and the ability to defend. And a man cry will be a press about the Suka Krebia, who did grow a red card. Okay, so on the just red card no. Oh, Kumasino. So likely, so Obama Prince Amevo. Central midfield or the Mihuni. Obama Dominic Insobila. About the defensive midfield role because all that energy and also experience no. Say Obo more likely say no also coach near Opa umpe on Rafael Mponsa as double pivot. Say Opa more double pivoter. Ebeboa. Look, Rafael Mponsa will be a ojebola ne passing a good. On also sa long range no obetimi shoot to us and ultimate BA games mu ye and also energy. And you bo on the Dominic in Sobila as double pivoter or midfield no only problem. Rich, the Ababanye. Omar Abdul Karim Angelo Mwenim. But catch yourself, my boy, no my friend in Yesta. Ne pass, I drink Cassie or the man pass. So the Abdul Karim, about central midfielder, one because only sound who are there. But I dream the passing ability in there. Or you super par excellence. No one man bomb winning. No one Hussein at the bench. Now Hussein a free bench about. On him. Over right side and left side or any. On for Alex Banso and call left side of attack. Messi. Oh, said that boy, they're the god of football. Now, Omar Mankwa Befi and start to right.
They are Friday,
oh, boy, Miss Mube feel brutal. Check. Now they are Mankwa Befi. I call right side. Also, last is now Mankwa Befi, a boss, right side defender. But my number 7, because Befi you be a playmaking ability or sidewalk. And the boss say, Yensan tracking back in bed defend your best edge man. And to my name, yes, edge man. Fanny 7. Number Martin Kakarin bench. And Kakarin so also another game changer. Our bomb second half for betting a second game no Ediamo in the shape of Kakarin. No more John Enchi.
Okay.
And anymore. Right, Sahas Yanesa, now Rosin chairman also started from bench. John Enchi, all near Juma be reason and they say Abdul Karim at the supplies in the Beba. Alex Banso at the assist Beba. Kakari and I bear feel so the side and Beba. And all he answer was say or withdraw echo deep. To say the do baby now Hussein Mohammed and Abrantewe Hamza Iron.
Okay.
Rich, so you say ya. Ni team name pa. But you be sure to console there.
Nyame admo.
Wine and the quality.
Tena no de ko de na ba na afi. Ya kan mi enu abom ni ahwe say wine na nyame admo Friday. Obenya the bragging right awo ne nyonko enso ye said